Hi, my name is Lharley Lartey and I'm here to face the fans on MX24. It's a story I wouldn't want to tell now. I feel it's not yet time to tell that part of my life. Like, it's not yet time, but when the time is right, I'll tell it. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. That is one thing I can say. But then when the time is right, I'll tell you everything. Coolest thing about my family. Oh, my family is so cool. They're so cool. They support me 100%. Like, they're there for me. They're right behind my back, like, giving me support. And I feel like it makes them really, really cool because initially, this wasn't the career choice that they wanted me to take. They envisioned for me. After some time, they came to a realization. And then they finally had to accept it. And then they've been supportive. Like, trust me, really, really cool. Celebrity crush. Oh my god! I met her last night. Oh my god. Her name is Dako. She's an artist. She's a Nigerian artist based in the UK. Yeah, one of my favorite songs from her is Juicy. So Dako and Juicy. Yeah, I'll go check it out. Okay, my favorite song to blast in the car right now at the moment, there are actually, say, three. One, Wizkid, True Love, produced by Jules. Two, again, Wizkid featuring Burna Boy, Ginger. And then the third one, oh my god, it's by a guy called Styles, and the title is Lose God. It's a Nigerian drill. It's fire. It goes like, I see, I saw, I see, that, you know, right? Oh my god, I love to cook. I love to create recipes and stuff. Sometimes it goes well, other times it goes really, really bad. But like, yeah, that's something I love to do. Scariest thing I've ever done, I haven't done it yet. I think it's two things: bungee jumping and then skydiving. Yeah. I feel like they're really scary, but I still want to do it. Yeah. My prayer is that I would have been able to achieve almost everything, say about 60%, because there's more time. Like, yeah, about 60% of my dreams. Like, when it comes to my career, long-term goal, I feel like in 10 years I should be able to achieve like up to, say, 60%. Yeah. I took him on a drive, like a drive up the mountains, played him, like blasted my emotional playlist on him. Like, I feel like it was so cool. You know, it's really, when you drive up the Abri Mountains, it's really pretty. Like, when you get out there and you look at the city, like, oh, the lights and everything is so beautiful, so romantic. So that's what I did. I took him up there. I prefer, instead of like the cliche going to a restaurant and, you know, going on a date, I'm not against that. I love it. Like, I love food. I would want to go to a fancy dinner, you know, all of that. But I feel like what is really romantic is like a long night drive. We're sharing each other's playlists, like really good music. Yeah, I think that's so romantic. Oh my God, are you human? No, I'm a cat. I'm a cat, yeah. Yeah, drama. I have any tattoos? No, I don't. I don't have any tattoos. Not because I don't like them or have something against them. I feel like tattoos are really beautiful. When I see people with them, I go like, oh my God, but then I don't see myself getting one. No, not at all. So number one from right here in Ghana. Her name is Mrs. Claudia Lumo of Glitz Africa. She inspires me so much. I call her Superwoman because she's been doing amazing stuff. I have been following her work. Aside her being like an icon and a mentor, like she's such a sweet person. She's open to jumping on projects, ideas. Like she's an amazing person. I love her so much. I also love me Oprah. I love me Afia, our own Ghanaian songstress. I think she's amazing. I love Afia. Yes, and also Eva DuVernay. I love that woman so much. These are women who inspire me. People that I look up to. People that when I see, I feel inspired to do more. Yeah, because a lot of them come from backgrounds like me. Like we all didn't come from like really like good. It wasn't all rosy. You get it. But then these people have been able to climb up the ladder, made a name for themselves, and they're still doing amazing stuff. And it really inspires me so much. Well, I feel like we're in a world and generation where people think differently and people do different things. For me, I wouldn't want to have sex on the first day. I'm a sapiosexual. I am attracted to intelligence. Yes, so yeah. And I feel like it takes time for you to realize somebody is really intelligent. So like, yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen on the first day. It's not my thing, and I don't no judging, nothing. If you want, go ahead and do it. We have different opinions, like I said. So yeah. One message for my ex. I love you so much. I'll always be there for you. I always pray for you, and I hope you keep doing your best, and then you reach your goals. I pray God grants you your most desires. Yeah, I love you. Trust me, I can't remember any. I don't know. I don't know. Hey guys, my name is Lharley Lartey and I just faced the fans on MX24. Love you.